Okay, this is where I was putting the light sensor back in. Let's get one more sip up there, shall we? No. Okay. Let's see. We can get in there. Let's find the right spot to put it in there. Huh. Any minute now, I should get it. Sometime today. There should be another car coming by here in a minute. Little black car, I think. Sometime or another. Let's see. Make sure I got this the right way. Is it on the north? Where am I going? Why am I going back down? What the crud? Maybe that's when I took it out. I don't know. Hold on a minute. I remember that's when I readjusted the ladder so I get up there better without fear of falling because of reaching. But I got it out the first time. I should have been able to put it back on the way it was. So I just readjusted the ladder. Went back up. Going back up. I'll go ahead and get this thing in here. Okay. Black car will go by. Eventually. And I'll get this light turned on. Blue car or whatever. And let's see. Do we have light? Yes. I see light. There it is. Yeah. Come on. Alright. We have light. I don't want to have light. It's daylight. There should be no light. So what the crud? Now I am unstrapping the tie down to support the ladder to the pole. So that while I was up there, the ladder wouldn't come off the pole and it go down and I go down, go boom, boom. I come down, take the strap down, put the strap down, wipe my sweat, wipe the sweat off me. I look at the light. Why are you still on? What the crud? Take ladder. I'm done. I got my long stick. Grab the pole there, the wire on the light, so I can pull her around back to the front side. Let's go around this car here. Okay, there goes the light. Go around the car. Let's pull. Okay. Yeah, pulling the light straight. Right over there. Okay, that's good. Take my long pole down there. All done.